What's up guys, I'm showing you how to use the Colemak Mod-DH keyboard layout. So the first thing you do, download this, it's called Auto Hotkey, the application to remap keys to anywhere on the keyboard. You just want to wait for that to install. Then you want to open it up. Click yes to, that thing that pops up. And press Express install and then run. Okay, this isn't important at all, and it's important for running it, but the actual application isn't. So then you want to go to the website, where they made it, and you go to keyboard types, and whichever keyboard you have is what you want to set yours to. So most people will have this and want to set it to this because they have an ANSI keyboard and they'll want to set it to this. So you just see where it is and okay, downloads. Then you press open link in new tab. Then you go here, and just to find it, you just click go to file, and then because you want to use the ANSI one, you just do this and autohotkey / Colemak _DH _ANSI .AHK. Now it's kind of convoluted, GitHub is, but I figured it out. You just press raw once you get to where you want it to be, and it'll just show this. And what I do is just right click and then press save as, and then it'll go this, and you want to just press save as all files and get rid of the .txt, and then you press save. Yeah, I already had this, redoing it. And then once you have this, you just want to drag this .ahk to your desktop, and this is what you'll use whenever you want to run it. So I'll click on this, and now you see that this thing pops up in the bottom right. That's kind of important for turning it on and off, but you can see pressing this, I'm pressing F right now, and all this coming up is T, pressing R, this is P, and the actual P is that. So the way that you stop it or pause it is you right click here and you press either exit or pause script, and then if you want to start it up again, you just double click on the thing, the icon. Yeah, that's it. Thanks guys.